Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll show you how you can use or make your own Spotify Get Ready with Music playlist. Let's start. First, go to Play Store and update your Spotify app to latest version. I have already updated. After updating, open Spotify. Now here you will see the banner of Get Ready with Music. If you don't see this banner in your application, you can click the link given in my description to get this. After clicking the link, you will get here. Now wait for a few seconds to get started. Now you're ready to make a custom playlist that matches your outfit. Click on Let's Go. Now choose the activity that you're picking an outfit for. After choosing, click Next. Now pick out your outfit's 3 primary colors. You can move the slider around the circle to choose your color, and then use the slider at the top to make your color choice lighter or darker. If you want to pick white or black, move that top slider all the way to the left or right. I have only picked one color. Make sure to pick 3 colors. Next, pick your vibe. This is basically asking whether your clothes are tight or soft or sleek, in essence, what kind of fabric you have on. After choosing, click Next. Finally, enter your name. You can also upload a photo to serve as the playlist's cover art. Next, click on Confirm. Now wait for a few seconds to generate your playlist. Next, click on Preview Playlist, and then click on Go to Playlist. You've now got a 2-hour playlist that matches your outfit. You can find this playlist in your library. You can redo this process as many times as you want, whenever you want, for all your styles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.